Today, we're taking a look at the Fujifilm X-T50 Kit, a compact retro-styled mirrorless camera that packs a lot of power into a small body. If you love Fuji colors, film simulations, and a classic shooting experience, this kit is an awesome entry point. The X-T50 features a 40 megapixel APS-C sensor, giving you super crisp photos with excellent detail and dynamic range. Pair that with Fuji's famous film simulations and like classic Chrome, Provia, Astia, and the newer Reala Ace, and your photos come out with that signature Fuji look straight out of the camera. The autofocus is fast and reliable with subject tracking that handles people, animals, and everyday action really well. And for video creators, you get sharp 4K recording, great colors, and a light, travel-friendly body that's perfect for vlogging or everyday content creation. The kit lens makes it ready to shoot from day one, ideal for travel, portraits, street photography, and family moments. It's compact, stylish, and easy to carry, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced creators who want something lightweight but capable. Who should buy the X-T50 Kit? Travelers, street photographers, students, new creators, and anyone who wants Fuji's beautiful colors in a simple, everyday camera. Why buy it? Because it's compact, powerful, fun to use, and delivers amazing straight-out-of-camera results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera reviews.